How to cancel order in Grabfood. So if you want to cancel order in your Grabfood, then what you need to do is first you can open up your application or you can go with your browser. So once you open up your browser, you just need to simply search for Grabfood. Now here you need to go with food.grab.com, and now it will take you to this kind of page. You just need to simply scroll all the way down, and here you will have help option, right? You just need to simply tap on help. Once you tap on help, you'll have the search, which is search for a solution. Tap on it and search for how to cancel an order or cancel order, and go with the first option which comes up, and you'll have this kind of interface. You will get all of the information on how to cancel an order in Grabfood. So here's how you can cancel an order. You can go with the order detail and tap on edit or cancel order. So you just need to simply go with the order details, and you can go with the bottom right, which will have edit or cancel order. And after that, select cancel order, which is on the bottom of your screen. Or if you want to edit the order, then you can simply go and edit it, or you can cancel it. And after that, enter the reason why you're canceling your order. And that's it. Once the order is cancelled successfully, the eaters and drivers will be informed automatically. So that's how you can cancel a Grab food order. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.